Good morning everyone. I am Gayatri, working as assistant professor in EC department. Today I am going to discuss about the topic clamper under the unit semiconductor diodes and their applications, which was studied by the student first year second semester for the paper circuit analysis and devices. As we are going to discuss about the clampers topic, in the brief, today I am going to discuss about the introduction part of clamper, what is the working of clamper and operations, and working principles of clamper, and in between the clamper topic, we are going to discuss about the advantages and disadvantages at last applications. In between the presentation there will be an activity related to the topic. At last the assessment questions will be carried out. First the introduction part, the clamper. The clamper circuit is nothing but which is used to shift the level of input signal to the above level. Basically, the clamper, which is classified into positive clamper as well as negative clamper. The positive clamper is nothing but it represents the shift in the positive level, and the negative clamper represents the shift will be taken place in the negative side of the AC signal. In the clamper circuit, which will be a simple circuit, and it is consist of one diode as well as the resistor, and along with it is having the capacitor. It is the combinations of resistor along with diode and capacitors. The resistor is nothing but it is used to resist the control the flow of current in the circuit. The diode, which is working in both forward bias condition as well as in reverse bias condition. In the capacitors, it will store the some amount of energy in the capacitor as well as is discharge the energy in the capacitors. Coming to the operating principle of clamper circuit, the working of clamper is mainly based upon the time constant of that capacitor circuit. The clamper circuit, which is basically consists of one diode as well as the capacitor, and along with the resistor will be connected. So the time constant of the clamper circuit will be related with the formula tau, which is equal to R into C. Where the R represents the resistor component and C represents the capacitor component. Then classifications of clamper circuit, mainly it is classified into basic of two types, which is positive clamper circuit as well as negative clamper circuit, and in between that there will be a two with a biased clamper and unbiased clamper will be discussed. First, the positive clamper circuit, the capacitor will be connected and diode as well as the resistor component will be connected. In the input side, the AC signal is given as input, and for a positive clamper circuit, there will be a shift in the DC level of the AC signal to the positive level. Then coming to the negative clamper, in the negative clamper circuit, the same, the capacitor, the diode direction is reversed and the resistor component is connected. In here, the VE is given as the input of AC signal, and V out will be shift in the negative DC level of the AC signal. So the input signal will be shifted to the negative side. Then coming to the activity related to electronics, word puzzles. Here these are the words listed: the reverse breakdown, reverse current. You have to find the bustles, or bustles are given here. You have to find the particular word in the bustle. Then coming to classification of clamper circuit, the positive clamper circuit with the biasing is discussed. First case will be in the case of positive biasing. In the capacitor, same, the diode is connected. Along with the diode, the positive biasing input is given in series. At last, the resistor is connected in shunt. In this case, the V in the input signal will be the sinusoidal signal. For the positive biasing, with respect to positive clamper, the output will be shifted the positive side of the DC level of AC signal. Then coming to the positive clamper with biasing, in the case of negative biasing, the biasing voltage which is given in the negative side. So with respect to the AC signal, input signal, the output signal will be clamped to the negative side. Then coming to negative clamper with biasing, in the case of positive biasing, the diode direction is reversed as the case of negative clamper, and positive biasing, positive voltage is given along with the diode, and resistor is connected. Here also the Vin, the input signal, sinusoidal input signal is given as input. The output side, the signal will be clamped to the positive of positive, that is shifted to the positive of DC level of AC signal. Then coming to the, in case of negative biasing, the negative bias voltage is given along with the diode. In the case, the output will be negative clamped to the clamped to the shift in the DC level of AC signal. Then applications of clamper circuit. The clamper, which is mainly one of the applications of PN junction diode, and it is used to identify the polarity of the circuits. With the change in the polarity, the signal will be shifted. This circuit will be used as voltage doubler and also used in eliminating the distortions. And main applications of clamper circuit is to reverse the recovery time. Reverse recovery time can be improved by using the clamper circuit. At last, assessment question: which of the following is not true regarding the clamper? To reduce the tilt in the circuit output, we have to reduce the RC signal. This point is not valid point as in the case of clamper circuit. The circuit which is a predetermined DC level is added to the output voltage of the op-amp is also called as clamper. The clamper circuit is also referred to as DC inserter. Thank you.